We think Sana Sada 2 was utter shit. One of us doesn't agree. He thinks Sana Sadar wasn't that bad. It was underrated even. Well, people are entitled to their opinions, however wrong they may be. Welcome to Pop Conversation. I'm Antarish Thakkar, joined by
Snehil Aneja.
and
Fast moment.
also joining us is
Kirti Sanatak.
and today, wow,
Name.
wow, I was expecting only Kirti again. And today we are talking about our most favorite underrated films. Yes, some of you might remember correctly. Yes, we have done an episode on this before, but underrated movies की कमी है क्या?
No,
Huh?
of course.
We are overflowing with underrated films.
Totally.
And so we thought, why not give you guys a sequel of our underrated movies episode? This
This is also an underrated podcast.
Extremely
It's
underrated.
not getting the kind
Yeah,
of views.
true,
that
true,
it should.
true.
Yeah.
Yes, correct.
they'll be like, इसलिए नहीं मिल रही होगी तुम में से एक इंसान सोचता है सन ऑफ सरदार अंडररेटेड है
Two, so that two underrated.
जो कि ऐसा नहीं है हाँ, मैंने कहीं नहीं बोला कि सन ऑफ सरदार 2 अंडररेटेड
No, he said it was excellent. Nothing is underrated.
मैंने लिटरली बोला इट्स नॉट अ ग्रेट फिल्म बट इफ यू एंजॉय सिली
Yeah, not a great film,
fuck
an excellent film. How did you not get this, guys?
Best
Are you
of
crazy?
2025.
Best of 25 guys
Awards
Filmfare
seconds.
award for best film best actor national award best film best actor
Yeah. How do you go about this very important episode of ours, the underrated episode?
One by one, we tell you what our underrated choices are.
Okay.
That's how we will
Should
go.
we like? What do you? Okay. Before we start out, then, what do you think makes a movie underrated? Have we ever discussed
नवाजुद्दीन
this?
सिद्दीकी
I think we've talked about this. I just
Have
had
we
deja
cracked
vu.
the same joke?
I think we had the
Oh,
same
shit.
deja
Oh,
vu.
fuck.
I think we had this, I just completely had deja vu.
This is not an underrated podcast after all.
हाँ हम ही सुन रहे हैं अपना episode.
हम jokes
Wait, is it
repeat
wrong?
कर रहे हैं guys.
Correct,
क्या
correct.
बोल रहे हैं?
Our jokes are overrated.
बाय द वे
Podcast में-
निशांची आने वाली है
Yes.
अनुराग कश्यप का डायरेक्टोरियल comeback
Oh, you mean
of
another
sorts.
movie which won't release ever?
Right.
Another movie that will be called underrated.
Yeah,
So
and never
1 year down the line when we do this episode again, underrated 7.0.
Underrated in advance.
Then we
That's
can.
the episode also.
Yes.
That's part of the
Well,
episode.
I'm trying to get Anurag Kashyap on this podcast.
On this podcast.
Yeah.
On this
Yeah.
podcast. Arre, Abby.
But then why don't you realize that Anurag Kashyap was wrong when he didn't feel bad about
when he
it?
did-
Then he only felt bad when he realized that
Oh,
the
the
woman
one
Was
year
her
old.
his daughter.
On this episode,
In Maharaja, the
we will
movie.
only recycle old jokes.
Yes.
This is that episode.
This is that episode.
Yeah.
Yes, it's also, let's be honest, it is 1:15
Yes.
a.m. in the morning.
Yes.
We are not at a full 100%, even though we look dashing as fuck.
Yeah.
But we've been through all a long day. So cut us some slack, guys.
अंतरिक्ष एक हफ्ते से यहीं पे है, इसने पिछले episode में
अंतरिक्ष नहीं स्नेहिल.
भी- यार,
Oh, no.
now-
Like, again, it's 1:15 a.m. in the morning.
And you joke
Yeah.
and you
Snail
screwed
has
it.
been
Yeah.
here for an entire week.
Week. Yes.
Fuck यार, पूरा juice चल
Yeah,
रहा है.
yeah.
चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Basically, we are recording 2 back-to-back episodes so that you don't have to miss out on
Yeah.
pop conversation.
On-
Goodness.
on what?
One of us flying back home and he's not available, so we have to.
Yeah.
We still have to show his face every week.
Some mama's boy or oh, I miss my mommy. Oh.
We should get to the topic. We have wasted enough time.
Yes.
Okay. An underrated movie is a movie that we think did not get the kind of appreciation or box office numbers that it deserved. So we think that you all should give it another shot.
Oh, words का definition बता.
Oh.
That's what underrated means, okay?
Yeah, that's what underrated
In
means.
case you don't know.
Oxford Dictionary के
What,
मुताबिक.
what, you idiots. Underrated में भी पता है मतलब.
Word
नहीं.
of the day, guys. Word of the day.
Okay, guys, talking about underrated movies,
Hmm.
there are things in life and experiences in life which are underrated as well.
Yes.
What is the one top experience or thing or food even that is extremely underrated according to you guys?
भाई I think underrated. The office पजामे और चप्पल और इन सब में जाना.
Oh भाई ये तो मैंने experience ही नहीं किया.
भाई कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस है. वो अलग बात है ऑफिस वाले आपको गंदे गंदे लुक्स देते हैं बट आप जो 8-9 घंटे कंफर्ट में रहते हो नथिंग मैचेस दैट.
Matlab, yeah, because you're sleepy. You're in that zone, dude. You're in the sleepy zone, man. Like, how can we be more comfortable?
Very very underrated experience. I think more people should rebel and experience that.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
For me, a very underrated thing is to have zero plans on a weekend 2-day weekend just in bed, rotting,
Bro, that's the
eating
best.
shit and not bathing and just rotting in bed.
तेरी इसका
having no
expression
plan.
like,
धीरे
none of
धीरे
this-
change होता रह रहा है.
I have lived with her for like almost close to a year now. None of this is true.
Yeah, so she's only had overrated
Right
experiences.
now,
Because
I
she's
have to
only
keep
had
up a-
overrated
मतलब
experiences.
कभी कभार there are days where I won't bathe, but Kirti never missing a day of bathing.
Yeah, but
not
there
one.
have been a few times, and those have been great times. I don't do it often because my conscience doesn't allow, but it is great.
It is, yes. It is. The feeling of not having to do anything over a weekend is privilege at this point. How many of us can say that? Well, what do I
Abbas
want?
bhai.
Okay, Abbas.
Oh, that feeling when you insert a USB drive in the first go,
Nice.
Oh
and
yes.
it goes in. That's an
Very
underrated.
nice.
This is not a metaphor.
Yeah, what is
We're
this?
talking about an actual USB.
Nice. Not USB-C, you mean?
No.
USB-A, the regular
Can
one.
you-
बस भाई का एग्जाम्पल भी इतना ऐसा थिन लाइन पे चल रहा है. थिन लाइन पे चल
Example,
रहा है.
underrated
No,
चीजें भी double meaning है.
Yes, ये लगा. आवाज आ जाती है. अरे पहला इसमें चला गया.
अभी ऊपर से इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू डिसोसिएट बिकॉज़ अभी 10 मिनट पहले बात वाज लाइक यार कोई तबू से मिलवा दो यार.
Taboo is underrated.
And when you open Instagram and the first post is taboo, that's underrated feeling.
Wow.
Yeah, I would say 2 weeks with back-to-back episodes of Filmy Colada is quite an underrated.
It's quite underrated. Yes.
Or overrated.
On time.
Yeah.
Friday
on
वो
time,
exact
on
9
time
बजे.
is on time though is impossible. And the other thing is
Having a plan and then cancelling it last minute and then just not
ये
having
अब
to
meme
go.
page बनता जा रहा है.
Yes.
This is
Yeah.
a meme.
Underrated.
now he's just talking about all the ways we are antisocial. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo, let's go. Should we get into it then?
Sure. Yeah.
And again, my underrated movies are the best movies.
The best underrated.
The best underrated movies.
But then they can't be underrated if they are the best.
They are the best underrated movies.
हाँ.
Okay, from the underrated movies, they're the best of the lot.
Okay.
Abbas, get with it, man.
They
Are
are
you
the
crazy?
underest.
Bhai, don't try.
Underrated.
Underest rated.
Undermost rated.
Most
Underwear. Guys, 2 बज रहे हैं, हम लोग को blame मत करो.
Okay, let's go. Should we go?
Yes.
Okay, we
first?
shall go. I gotta go
Okay,
first,
cool.
as always. You know,
What's the
because
best?
the best one, right?
Yeah.
The best one. One of the best. One of the best. Okay, there is a movie called Baby. We all know. Baby's awesome. That's not the one. Okay, you see
नाम
Baby?
Shavana.
The John.
Bhai,
John
let me
है
say.
Okay.
Baby with John है.
No, it's okay. It's fault. It is नाम Shavana.
नाम Shavana हो गया.
It is not the one. What the fuck? Wow. Okay. How did you make that association?
Because
Because that's a
बेबी का sequel नहीं है, prequel है.
Prequel है.
Prequel.
तूने देखी है?
हाँ.
तूने देखी है?
नहीं.
We saw it
मेरे
together.
साथ में ही देखी।
So Baby.
So once again, it's only Abbas who hasn't seen the film.
Okay, so Naam Shabana, yes, is the movie that I'm talking about. Naam Shabana stars Taapsee Pannu and has extended guest role by Akshay Kumar. It is a prequel to Baby. So Baby was whatever Baby was. That sounds like a weird title. The movie Baby, starring Anupam Kher, Akshay Kumar, directed Rana Daggubati also, and directed by Neeraj Pandey, right?
Okay.
They wanted to do a spin-off because this world is ripe for that. Like you can have spy movies mein, like the YRF has shown us, if that has shown us anything, is you can do any endless number of spin-offs. इसको बना दो, उसके वहाँ पे उस कैरेक्टर का उसका आग चल रहा है, उसका वहाँ पे एक मूवी बना दो.
Because missions की कहाँ ही कमी है ना यार.
हाँ, कुछ भी बना दो.
Mission तो
यार,
कुछ भी
mission
बन
बना दो.
सकता है.
Correct.
हाँ.
मिशन आज दूध लेके आना है,
Mission.
बट बीच में टेररिस्ट खड़ा है, तो क्या करेगा?
क्या तो मिशन है. अब now it's called Mission दूध.
मिशन दूध.
Oh my God.
अभी पर अगर
I
दूध
think I saw a porno by that.
या करेक्ट पर अगर दूध Nice.
Okay, so what happens in Naam Shabana?
Abbas का
Also
porn history है Mission दूध.
Also alternate name for Mission Doodh, the movie Masti. ले ले दूध. Sindhur ले ले dude.
None of this is usable anyway.
Yours stays in.
Fully
Yeah,
usable.
sure.
What?
Shabana.
Don't make the pervy jokes and act like you're not the
Not
perv.
made. You guys were saying Mission Dud.
Have you really seen a porno by that name? Or was it just
maybe. I don't know.
like who's pervy then?
पिछले एपिसोड में we realized कि अंतरिक्ष का रेडिट सर्च ब्लू बूबीज है.
The bird boobies. Blue tones.
Oh,
I told you about
justify.
Relax. It's the word, okay? I don't search on Reddit for that.
Yeah, you directly go to the source.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So anyway, Naam Shabana is a prequel of that thing. It's another mission. It's another thing, but it's very fun, very slick again,
Yeah.
like in the vein of Baby only.
Is
This
Taps
one,
in Baby?
she
Yes.
is,
Okay.
and she has again a short role, but an awesome action scene she gets, and fucking
Right,
banger action
yes.
scene.
Right.
Like
तो
great
मतलब
action.
बेसिकली जैसे जितना ट्रैक अक्षय कुमार का नाम शबाना में है, वैसा ही सिमिलरिश ट्रैक तापसी का उसमें है.
And
So-
Naam Shabana is also Neeraj Pandey.
No. This one is Naam Shabana is directed by Shivam Nair.
Okay.
Okay, and you know, like how, so what happens in Baby is Akshay Kumar is the commanding officer and she is like his subordinate. Okay, over here we show the story of how Shabana was recruited into this task force.
Okay.
Okay, and like what she had to go through, what happened in her life that triggered this move into this task force, and then how Akshay Kumar, how she first met Akshay Kumar on mission. Okay, and fucking then what is the mission? How they complete that together? Very good, very fun,
Okay.
very extremely underrated because I think most people haven't even heard of it.
Yeah.
No,
People
I've
might-
heard of it, but like I didn't know whether it's good or bad.
Okay, fair enough.
उसके लिए देखनी पड़ती है.
तो Baby,
Yeah,
I
word
think
of mouth big.
people know about Baby.
Yeah.
People have seen
Yeah.
Baby, but I think Naam Shabana gets overlooked very often. I think.
And we saw it back to back, I remember.
Baby and Naam
then
Shabana. I think it's on a
Shabana.
flight or something.
No,
No?
we saw it in Himachal.
Oh, it's on in Himachal.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's okay if you don't remember it. I can imagine what the atmosphere must have been.
Yeah, in Himachal, dude. We're obviously drunk on alcohol. Yes. Let's go next. Who's next?
अब्बास भाई आप बताओ.
My underrated movie is a film that came out in 2022.
Okay.
It was a streaming film, it was on Amazon Prime, but it's known because, or rather, its identity is because it was the last film shot by Rishi Kapoor.
yeah.
And it's called Sharma Ji Namkeen.
Yes.
तो इस फिल्म में बेसिकली द प्रेमिस इज के शर्मा जी करके जो कैरेक्टर है वो रिटायर हो गए हैं और अब वो घर पे रह रहे हैं, तो उनके पास कुछ करने को नहीं है तो वो खाना बनाने लगे हैं, लेकिन बोरियत में उनको पता चलता है कि किटी पार्टी है पास में जहाँ पे ये लोग दे गेट टुगेदर एंड दे हैव फन एंड एवरीथिंग, दे प्ले कार्ड्स व्हाटएवर एंड दे नीड समवन टू फीड फॉर दीज पार्टीज. So he gets involved. It's a very cute premise, and
Yeah.
the woman who's leading this kitty party is played by Juhi Chawla.
Juhi Chawla.
So again, it's a throwback to Rishi
Amazing,
Kapoor, Juhi Chawla, and that pairing. But unfortunately, Rishi Kapoor passed away while the film was being shot. So
So halfway after shooting.
about halfway through.
Yeah.
So the patch-up scenes for which Rishi ji was required for the shoot are done by Paresh Rawal.
So it's a very
Right.
unique movie. In
It's
that.
a very
Yeah.
unique movie where one character is played by two different
Actors, because
and what I like is Paresh Rawal does not try to copy or do the same
Yeah.
thing that
no,
Rishi
he's
Kapoor
doing
is
his
doing. He's doing
adaptation
his
of
own
the role.
thing.
Right? Yeah.
And before the movie begins, we have a message by Ranbir Kapoor
Yes.
who says that this is how the movie will be presented, and he's very thankful to Paresh Rawal. So I think it's a very cute movie, very nice movie. In an ideal world, we would have loved if Rishi Kapoor got to finish that entire film, but as it
He's
stands,
very charming
also-
in the movie. By the
yeah,
way.
it's very charming in
Yeah.
the movie. But as it stands, also it's bittersweet because you don't
It
get to
is
see
bittersweet.
Rishi Ji's full thing. But as it stands, also it's a very nice, well done movie, cute
Yeah.
movie.
Like
Yeah,
there,
very
there, there, there
wholesome.
are actually scenes जहाँ पे किचन में घुसते ऋषि कपूर हैं और बाहर परेश रावल निकलते हैं, एंड देन 4 scenes later बाद में उन्होंने ऋषि जी ने वो शूट किया हुआ होगा, तो देन अगेन यू स्विच टू ऋषि जी. बट देन ऑल्सो सुहेल नैयर इज इन द फिल्म हु इज अ गुड फ्रेंड, एंड उसकी अभी मूवी आई थी निकिता रॉय.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, he's there in the film. Also, जो रणबीर कपूर के मैसेज की आपने बात करी, I think रणबीर in that
Promotional,
message
yeah.
basically says कि he also like prosthetics और उसके through they tried कि वो रणबीर ही ऋषि जी के बाकी बचे हुए scenes पूरे कर पाते, but then he was not looking.
Yeah.
उधर caricature लग जाता है.
हाँ.
We
So
wrote
they
this
actually went
because
with
you know,
yes,
we wrote
yes,
this split
exactly
up.
that.
Also, as promotion for this, I don't know if you guys remember Amazon Prime. I think it was an Amazon Prime movie.
Yeah.
Amazon Prime did this thing, which on the Amazon Prime channel you can watch all these stars, actors, younger actors dancing to Meri Umar Ke Naujawano.
remember.
So they have this.
Oh,
because
nice.
it's like a tribute to Rishi
yes,
Kapoor.
yes, you're right.
And all
you're
of them,
right.
Vicky,
yes,
Varun,
yes.
Arjun,
Yes.
everyone's there.
Yes,
Ranbir,
you're
of
right.
course.
Yes, yes.
And
you're
yeah,
right.
pretty cool video, cute video. देखी तुमने?
मैंने
video?
मूवी देखी है
Oh, okay, okay.
हाँ और बहुत
Movie
अच्छी
तो
है
बहुत ही
it's a
cute
great
है,
family
बहुत
watch
cute है।
and in spite of them two of them playing one character you still get used to it because it is so well made
Yeah.
which is the sign of a good movie so
Yeah.
I
मुझे पोस्टर भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था इसका, जो पोस्टर पे दोनों थे.
oh I don't
You
मैं
remember?
देखा नहीं वो, याद
मतलब पोस्टर पे as in there are two posters, एक with obviously ऋषि जी, एक with परेश रावल जी, and उसके बाद दोनों का एक साथ में भी है.
Oh,
I think digital poster है, पता नहीं क्या है, but where they announce that Paresh Rawal is going to be stepping into the shoes.
Yeah.
okay, cool, man.
So yeah, cute movie. I think it
Very
didn't
cute.
get a theatrical release. It was released on
Yeah.
Amazon, but it escaped many people's radar. But yeah, last performance of the legendary Rishi Kapoor and overall also very cute.
Yeah. ऋषि कपूर की एक और फिल्म है जो रहती है कॉन्वर्सेशन में, बट आई स्टिल फील इट्स स्टिल अंडररेटेड, इज दो दूनी चार. That
sure.
That was
your second film.
in my honorable mention.
हाँ, तो मतलब दो दूनी चार इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज फिल्म्स जो आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ बैठ के एंजॉय कर सकते हो. लाइक टिपिकल मिडिल क्लास कॉन्वर्सेशन हम लोग अपने आप को उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में देख सकते हैं. So that's also very wholesome.
And also,
film.
Do Duni Char was made by Habib Faisal, so who also wrote Band Baja Barat.
Oh!
So he took the fame and money of Band Baja Barat and put it into making Do Duni Char, which is how you should use fame and money when you get it to get your passion project made.
this underrated
Yeah.
बैंड बाजा बारात.
नहीं ये concept कि तुम एक
हाँ,
बनाओ
हाँ,
for
oh,
the
yeah, of course, of
audience
course,
use
of
that
course,
money
of
to
course,
make
of
good
course.
art
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
underrated
I think मैं एक दिल्ली में वो है ना इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे मैं एक टॉक में गया था, कोई फेस्टिवल हो रहा था जहाँ पे स्वरा भास्कर का एक टॉक था. तो वहाँ पे उसने आई थिंक उसी टाइम प्रेम रतन धन पायो अनाउंस करी थी.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो उनसे पूछा, किसी ने एक ऑडियंस में से किसी ने पूछा था कि आप लाइक यू नो you've been this purist of sorts, you've always positioned yourself as one like the actor and now you're doing like a full-fledged commercial film जहाँ पे like obviously तो she was like कि तो तब उसने ये जवाब दिया था कि I can do a नील बट्टे सन्नाटा if I do like a प्रेम रतन धन पायो.
exactly
That makes sense.
तो yeah, that answer stayed with. I think it's been like अब तो मुझे मुंबई आए हुए 8 साल हो गए. It's been more than like 8 years कि मैंने दिल्ली में सुना था. But then yeah, that incident stayed with me, like that statement.
So yeah, guys, Sharma Ji Namkeen, please watch it if you want to watch the last performance of Rishi Kapoor's, and a very unique story also, and
Yeah.
the way it's been treated with Paresh and Rishi Ji. It's very cool.
Paresh, by the way, is back in Hera Fairy 3. We've not mentioned it enough.
Correct.
I'll not believe it till I see it
yeah,
now
but that one is half Paresh and half someone else. That's the new agreement.
half Paresh and half no one
Half Paresh and half Babu Rao.
Okay. Kirti, do you want to go?
Yeah,
next?
Kirti.
yeah I'll go okay my underrated movie which I'm going to say right now, many people are going to say it's not a good movie but I think it's a great movie. I keep going back to it. It's a cute love story, हंसी तो फंसी.
Oh, nice.
मुझे बड़ी ही पसंद है.
I don't like it at all.
I knew it.
What?
I knew it, but
I only like one song from the movie, which
वो
is that.
Ishq
Ishq Bulawa.
अच्छा.
no, I think it's very cute. जो परिणीति का भी उन्होंने जो भी सिंड्रोम दिखाया है in a way.
ओ ये वो है सरसराहट तो फटफटाहट. Oh
yeah.
shit, dude.
हाँ मतलब
It's just sad that I remember this movie
because of this
trend.
reel, yeah. But I actually love the movie. उनका केमिस्ट्री बहुत ही क्यूट है सिड और परिणीति का. इट्स यू नो ही इज वेरी केयरिंग टुवर्ड्स हर बिकॉज शी इज गोइंग थ्रू दिस एंड ही इज मैरिंग हर सिस्टर, तो ही कैन नॉट fall in love with her, but by the end at the wedding he realizes you know he actually loves her. Yeah, it's very nice. He's very doting towards her. He takes care of her like, you know, sort of a mother, but
Yeah, this
also
doesn't-
he's falling.
This doesn't sound like love.
No,
This sounds like
but
savior
Yeah,
complex.
dude.
No, it's very cute, guys. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I think हमारे पास contemporary love stories बहुत अच्छी, बहुत कम है.
Have you watched Sayara?
We won't go down that road again.
Also, Kirti loves Kabir Singh. So let's be
It's okay, man.
let's be honest.
कीर्ति के
It's like
चेहरे पे
it's like I'm ratting her out.
कि कीर्ति के चेहरे पे पता है कौन सा लुक था, घर का बेदी लंका टाइप.
क्या बे? क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
मुझे कबीर सिंह पसंद है क्योंकि शाहिद ने बहुत अच्छा एक्ट किया है. I appreciate शाहिद's acting. It's convincing that he is abusive. तो अगर कोई अच्छी एक्टिंग कर रहा है तो आप उसको अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं. इसमें कोई हार्म
अब शाहिद की बात उठी है तो there's this another film called Jersey.
Yeah.
यस
भाई जर्सी बहुत सही फिल्म है. मतलब जर्सी ऑब्वियसली रीमेक है एंड जो ओरिजिनल होगी, मतलब जो ओरिजिनल है
उसका भी नाम
नहीं,
जर्सी है.
दैट्स नॉट माय अंडररेटेड, बट वो शाहिद का नाम लिया तो मेरे को याद आ गया. उसमें भी ऑब्वियसली बहुत बढ़िया एक्टिंग होगी जो ओरिजिनल है, बट जर्सी अगर आपने ओरिजिनल नहीं देखी है एंड यू वुड स्टिल वांट टू लाइक कैच दैट स्टोरी, शाहिद हैज डन अ terrific job.
In fact, Snehal likes that movie so much, he doesn't miss a chance to say Jersey जैसी कोई नहीं.
Oh fuck.
Thank you guys.
You've been a great audience.
रोक दूंगी मैं.
If this is a drop off point on YouTube,
I will have to interrupt this because
Yes.
this cannot go on.
No,
Okay.
you were still talking about
Hasi to Fasi,
yeah.
I like because it's a good contemporary love story. I keep going back to. We have very few, and उसी zone में मैं मन मर्जिया को भी mention करना चाहूँगी. I love मन मर्जिया.
मन मर्जियां तो ही बनाए.
दो सब बोलते हैं हम दिल दे चुके सनम ही है, but it's very cute. It's very believable.
बस लाइक पागल है वो लोग.
तो फिर इस मूवी में प्री मैरिटल सेक्स वगैरह हो रहा है यार, हम भी चुके सनम में कहाँ हुआ है?
यही आपका डिफरेंशिएशन.
भाई सलमान ऐश्वर्या जो भी कर रहे थे वो प्री मैरिटल ही था भाई.
मतलब मन मर्जी एकदम
उल्टा वहाँ मैरिटल सेक्स
movie
में.
है.
Correct. It's a
exactly.
contemporary love
Yeah.
story. It's
That's
believable and you know when you see हम दिल दे चुके सनम तुम बोलते हो कि यार अजय देवगन जैसा तो कोई नहीं होता, मतलब
हाँ,
ये क्या ही
वही तो,
एक्स्ट्रा.
इतना
बट अभिषेक बच्चन ने जैसे पोर्ट्रे किया है वो बहुत ही मतलब देयर इज अ मिक्स बैलेंस ऑफ रेज,
Correct.
फ्रस्ट्रेशन, बट स्टिल ही इज ट्राइंग टू बी नाइस टू हर. इट इज अगेन अ ग्रेट लव स्टोरी.
Yeah.
अ रेयर मतलब a rare Anurag Kashyap love story
Yeah.
and so good. So
Also, another Abhishek Bachchan movie I would like to mention is
I knew it. I knew it.
यहाँ से मैं कट कर दूंगा.
he's made a movie called Ghumar. It's a great movie. Not enough
extremely
people have
overrated.
seen it. And one of
So
his
overrated.
best films that he has made.
Yuck.
Sayami Kher is amazing in the movie.
It's rightly rated, guys.
It's amazing. Please go on IMDb and rate it 10 on 10 if you find it. And if you want, you can go through the cast list also. Scroll down.
हाँ, आपको 78th नंबर पे एक इंसान मिलेगा.
Yeah.
बस ये बोलना था मुझे. हाँ,
Okay,
what's
I'm
your-
done. I'm
No,
done.
मेरा हो गया.
ठीक है.
Same.
So my underrated film is like I'm gonna go back in the day and
शोले. Wow, dude.
no, so this film is called Ardh Satya. If you guys have
Oh
seen
yeah,
it.
of
Oh, no
course.
fucking
Yeah.
way.
Ardh Satya.
Om Puri.
Om Puri. Yes, it's a film.
Ardh means half. Half truth.
Half truth. Ardh Satya. So
Wow, yeah,
it's a film
wow.
from 1983. Cast है ओम पुरी, स्मिता पाटिल, सदाशिव अमरापुरकर. Screen play is by Vijay Tendulkar. You guys know Vijay Tendulkar, one of the
One of the
greatest
best playwrights
playwrights
of all
ever.
Oh,
Kanyadan.
Sachin Tendulkar's father.
No.
Yeah, of course.
He scored 200 centuries.
Great. Wow.
Vijay Tendulkar, one of the most popular plays, Kanyadan and Sakharam Binder. He was one of like feminist before
I feel like-
feminist was a thing.
Was a social media.
Yeah, was the social media trend. So Ardh Satya basically एक ऐसा पुलिस वाले की कहानी है. ओमपुरी, आप भाई जवान ओमपुरी देखने मिलता है आपको इस
Yeah,
पिक्चर में.
okay,
ठीक है,
jarring है
तो ओमपुरी एक पुलिस वाला है जो बेसिकली अपने मोराल्स और अपने ड्यूटीज और अपने कस्मे वादे लेकर आया कि मैं देश की सेवा करूंगा और मैं सच्चाई, भलाई और इंसाफ के रास्ते पे चलूंगा. एंड देन जब वो शपथ ये सारी चीजें बिलीव्स लेकर आता है, अपना बिलीफ सिस्टम लेकर आता है, एंड देन जब वो एक्चुअल उतरता है पॉलिटिक्स में, अंडरवर्ल्ड में और इन सब में, एंड देन ही रियलाइजेस कि भाई ये सब तो सिर्फ किताबों में ही ठीक लग रहा था, ये सब तो सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स में ही अच्छा था, असलियत में
तो
क्या है. तो लाइक देयर आर सीन्स वेयर जैसे इसके अंदर सदाशिव अमरापुरकर, अगेन लेजेंडरी एक्टर, was also there in Tarzan the Wonder Car. But anyway,
That's not the,
another underrated film.
That's not the movie you say after saying that you
और this सत्य और टार्जन द वंडर कार किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा एक लाइन
तुम देख रहे हो कि मैं पूरा
Range हो भाई,
तुम
range।
रेंज देख रहे हो भाई की
Nice.
ठीक है तो उसके अंदर एक बहुत सही सीन है वेयर सदाशिव अमरापुरकर को के कैरेक्टर को पकड़ने के लिए ओमपुरी जाते हैं एंड वो टेबल पे बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं एंड देन अब बेसिकली डायनामिक्स ये है कि एक पुलिस वाला और एक गुंडा आइडियली आपके माइंड में क्या आएगा कि भाई आप गुंडा जो है पुलिस वाले को देख के उठ के चलो हाँ मतलब अब भाई वो जो डायलॉग एक्सचेंज है वहां पे द पावर डायनामिक्स आपको फ्रेम सो नॉर्मली क्या होता है अगर आपको पावर डायनामिक्स दिखाना होता है ना तो आप दिखाते हो कि जो बंदा फ्रेम में ऊपर वाली साइड दैट्स द मोस्ट क्लीशे वे ऑफ शोइंग द पावर डायनामिक्स धड़क 2 में भी एक सीन है जब जहाँ पे उन लोग को एस्टैब्लिश करना होता है तो वो सीढ़ी से नीचे आ रही होती है और ये यहाँ से होता है सिद्धांत का कैरेक्टर एनीवे तो ये तो फ्रेमिंग डिटेलिंग में चले गए बट एनीवे उसमें वो खड़ा होता है सदाशिव बैठ के खाना खा रहे हैं एंड ही बेसिकली सेज कि भाई मैं तुम्हें गिरफ्तार करने आया हूँ ये वो एंड ही जस्ट लुक्स एट हिम कीप सीटिंग नॉनचलेंट एंड वो एक जो पूरा डायलॉग एक्सचेंज है दैट इन इटसेल्फ इज सच एन आइकॉनिक फ्रेम डायलॉग एक पुलिस वाला खड़ा है तुम्हें ले जाने के लिए एंड तुम पूरी चौड़ में बीइंग अ गुंडा बैठ के सो आई थिंक ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ फिल्म आज के सिनेरियो में भी इट कंप्लीटली फिट्स सो अर्थ सत्य इज वन ऑफ
What's it about?
यही मॉरल
So
Like plot क्या है?
उसका
bro,
moral
there's
fight
no
with
A to
himself.
B
Oh,
plot.
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, got it.
लाइक इट्स अ जर्नी इट टेक्स यू ऑन अ जर्नी मतलब वो दिखाते हैं कि कैसे वो बंदा जो है पुलिस वाला जो है वो एक बॉइलिंग पॉइंट तक गया है और वहां पे उसका ब्रेक हुआ है एंड देन सो उस प्रकार की फिल्म है
Basically, every cop movie in like modern Bollywood, like from Sarfarosh to Shool to all,
Yeah,
they
and
all borrow from.
Reverse symbol.
From
Oh,
from
they-
Arth Satya.
they for like some philosophy or something usually.
Yeah, the same.
Morality.
Sounds like,
the-
yeah.
मोरालिटी
तुमने
और-
देखी है?
बट उसके
नहीं मैं
बट
समझ रही हूँ कि जैसे सिम्बा में
हाँ.
रणवीर पहले करप्ट
Wow.
था then he realized.
बट द थिंग इज कि उसकी
I know, sorry.
मतलब
You
उसकी
mean like how दबंग में वो पहले करा था?
हाँ sure.
बट उसकी ऑब्वियसली उसका स्क्रीन प्ले बहुत डिटेल्ड है उसकी राइटिंग बहुत लेयर्ड है डायलॉग्स
Of
उसका
course.
डिलेमा जिस तरीके से दिखाया गया है
Govind Nalani, right?
या गोविंद नैलानी डायरेक्टेड बाय गोविंद नैलानी मेरी अगली फिल्म भी गोविंद नैलानी की है गोविंद नैलानी
Wow, your
Sir,
acting.
parallel cinema का
Wow.
पेटी लेके आए हैं।
हाँ.
स्नेहल ने मेरी अगली फिल्म बोला है जैसे कि इसकी मूवी थिएटर में रिलीज होने वाली है.
एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे लगा
गोविंद नैलानी भाई. मस्त है.
नहीं वेरी वेरी गुड
गोविंद जी,
फिल्म
गोविंद।
अर्थ सत्य आप जरूर देखें
ओके मुझे नहीं पता था हम एकदम ही ऐसे जोन में जा रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरी तो
नहीं,
बहुत
नहीं,
ही
it's okay.
बेसिक
See,
बेसिक
this
शिट्स
is-
we don't have to prove like oh I know
Yeah.
more than this other guy. Yeah, it's okay. Who are we? Abbas?
Yeah,
Or say-
basically Snail is playing me in this.
Yeah, what is that? Let's change it.
मैं सना सरदार को ठीक बोलता हूँ मारते हैं मैं कोई अच्छी फिल्म बोलता हूँ
थोड़ा
तो
middle-
मेरी
Yeah, so middle में आना भाई.
Middle ground.
Stop trying to overcompensate in Hollywood. Alright, let's change it up, guys. Abbas, you go next. What's
So,
your next underrated movie?
This is also a movie that I'm sure many people would have seen on TV. But as compared to the other movies this actor and director pairing have, I think this is not as much seen.
Okay.
So I'm talking about Dev Dhawan and Govinda. Now, when you
Oh.
think of them, you think of Dulce Raja, you think of Hero Number 1. They made a movie called क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
ब्रो
Which is a fun movie, but I don't think it gets enough
I agree.
merit as it
Bro,
should.
I don't think it's that good a movie.
व्हाट
No,
Okay.
I
I
think
shall not
it's
speak
very
for this.
overrated. I think it's extremely overrated.
No,
As a
no.
Govinda movie, it's
नहीं,
very overrated.
नहीं, it's
Okay,
Yeah,
so
quite
that's
good.
your opinion. मैं ये
which is
बोल रहा हूँ-
wrong but yeah
Which is wrong.
I know most people will agree with you guys, but if you were to go and watch it,
Then
you will
you're
for
right.
sure
So we'll
say
come,
that is
we'll
not
come
that
to your
good
why you think it's overrated. But first, let me make my case why it's underrated. Okay.
Yeah.
So when this movie came out, it was pitched as or it was famous as Liar Liar का ripoff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
के झूठ नहीं बोल. भाई मैंने पिक्चर देखी सिर्फ लास्ट आधा घंटा जो है
वो Liar
लायर लायर है इसमें. उसके पहले की इट्स लाइक लॉयर अर्थ सत्य.
It's pink.
This honest guy
Yeah.
who has a law degree
Yeah.
comes to
Yeah.
Bombay and he's like, you know what? सत्यमेव जयते, मैं सच का साथ दूंगा, सही लोगों का सपोर्ट करूंगा, उनकी केस लड़ूंगा और ऐसे मेरी सक्सेस होगी. और वो पहला केस करता है, उसको मिलता है, वो नोट पे लिखता है
सत्यमेव जयते
हाँ.
और
Bro,
सुष्मिता
isn't there a
सेन
scene? Isn't there a scene where he is interrogating this older uncle.
Yeah. And
He's like, अच्छा uncle बोलते हैं कि नहीं बेटा वो मैं he's an eyewitness. And the thing is like he couldn't cross over a boundary wall or something.
Yes.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
there was something.
See, you remember
Right?
it.
Of course, because it's liar.
Because it's good. That's why I
Yeah,
remember.
I do remember it, of course. But so then he says, so what Govinda does, he's at a loss.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
He's like, fuck it, case to gaya. Ye gunde, whoever have hired me, meri waat laya. So what to do? Okay, he comes up with this divine solution.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna fucking light my arms on fire and say, hey, uncle.
Because हार गया sir.
हाँ मैं हार गया अगर if I'm going down I'll go down with this old man come light on fire with me. Old man gets scared, jumps over, not just the separation of the
4 feet thing, but
Yeah.
also the 6 feet
also
thing.
6 feet thing. And then Govinda says ना ही ये 4 फुट का ये दीवार करोगे ये 6 फुट का दीवार करोगे मैं
And then he's like, क्योंकि जज साहब आग हाथ उनके नहीं जलते जो आग लगाते हैं.
Yes.
हाथ उनके जलते हैं जो आग बुझाते हैं. जैसे मेरे क्लाइंट
और वो देखो Cinema.
correct. And then the judge even asks him कि तुमने ये ऐसा क्यों किया and Govinda says क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. That's it, you know. Perfect.
Love it.
Perfect.
So before that half an hour, there were
भाई,
2 hour worth of film.
सबसे ज्यादा रिज कॉन्वर्सेशन है उसके अंदर. तो वो लड़की
वो
उसको
चांद
कहती
वाली?
नहीं शीज लाइक कि अब तुम हमारे साथ काम करने लगे हो, जिस भी चीज पे हाथ रखोगे वो तुम्हारी हो जाएगी. और वो उस पे हाथ रख देता है. I'm like, oh bro,
It also has that
Brad Pitt who?
Also,
It's Govinda.
Also, love the chemistry between Govinda and Sushmita. You would
Sushmita,
not
yeah.
think, you would not think, but you know they pull it off. They look so great. All the songs are so fun. I love the movie. I watch it every time it was on TV.
Yeah, you're the right person
Yeah.
for this podcast.
So
He also has a scene was shot in Hiranandani where he's eating pani puri.
That's a good scene.
Here catches it.
Good scene.
ये तो इस बेचारे के लिए खा रहा हूँ मैं. Yeah. So
तुम्हारा तो उपवास था ना.
And bro, there's a running gag where he wants to go to मतलब उसको सुष्मिता की शादी के लिए उसके ससुर से हाथ मांगना है. So he has a running gag जब उसको जहाँ भी मिलता है अल्पा उसको किताबें पकड़ाने लगता है और तब
Yeah, that's
वो
true.
पायल में
Also,
चिपका
you know,
जाता है.
he's trying to be the घर जमाई, but
Yeah.
they are like, नहीं बेटा तुम honest हो, तुम्हारी इज्जत. The wife is also like, I live wherever you are taking me. I live in the chawl, and he's like, no, bitch, that's not why I am. You know.
मास्टर
एक बात बोलूं, जब तू ऐसे करता है ना मन करता है लाफा मारो गेट के.
Bro, can I just be honest?
Yeah.
Okay. When we started talking about क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता, every time I said क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता, I was thinking of हद कर दी आपने.
I love.
Good save.
Yeah. That's the thing.
ठीक है, we'll take it.
Yeah, so all the things I said about how I don't like क्योंकि झूठ नहीं बोलता, I actually मेरी हद कर दी आपने. I don't like हद कर दी आपने.
So now you like
क्योंकि झूठ नहीं बोलता, it's fine. It's good enough.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
He
Fine.
That old uncle वाला scene is legend. Yes, I agree.
चलो ठीक.
So yeah, that's my second.
Great.
movie.
Great
Nice.
choice.
Good choice. I agree.
Who wants to go next?
Oh,
यार मेरी फिर से थोड़ी वैसी सी है ऑल टाइप. फिर आप बोलोगे.
okay, I can do this.
Yeah.
Okay. My next underrated movie is one that I have very recently seen. Kirti and I very recently saw it. It is an Akshay Kumar movie starring Maddie and Ananya Pandey.
Kesari 2.
Kesari Chapter 2.
Bro, there is this one guy in the comments who's been like, तुम लोग ने केसरी 2 के बारे में बात नहीं करी है.
Bro, हमने देख लिया. हमने finally देख लिया हमने.
टाइटल में thumbnail पर डाला.
Correct.
Kesari 2 underrated?
Extremely, I would say. Extremely
No, it
underrated.
wasn't underrated. It was very much like people
Dude,
said good things about
so
it.
the thing is, right, whatever कुछ भी कर लो, okay, Akshay Kumar is right now going through a phase where चाहे वो अच्छी पिक्चर भी बना ले, people are not interested in watching it. People think कि oh एक और अक्षय कुमार की पिक्चर आ गई, oh he'll be lazy in this one also.
Speaking of Akshay, they've announced Jolly LB 3 and they've
Yeah,
released a
so-
teaser.
Oh, I saw
also.
that.
Yeah,
By the
so-
way, interesting. Yeah,
Interesting.
Sorry.
Very
Yeah,
good.
exciting.
Fun. But yeah, I think that's what's happening with Akshay Kumar right now, where he's going through this like this slump.
Yeah.
Not like his performance in this movie was amazing. Okay,
And
He
in
got the-
Sarfira as well, we talked
and
about
Sarfira, we talked about
Yeah.
Sarfira also, yes. So is in Kesari 2, his performance is exactly, he's gotten the pitch perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, you can tell how much of like masters of their craft at this point. Akshay and Madhavan are.
Madhi, yeah.
Okay, both
Yeah,
them
yeah.
fucking ace it. Have you seen
Definitely.
it?
No.
Definite must watch. Okay,
Also,
it's not jingoistic or like
Yeah.
or not, at least not overly jingoistic, because of this talking about the Jallianwala Bagh incident. So there will be some kind of patriotism or nationalism, etc. in the movie. So, and that's to be expected. So how much you expect? Only that one is there. ऐसा नहीं कि वो you're shoving it down your throat or something. Dude, the dialogue, the writing, the pacing. At no point does the movie feel like, oh, it's stretched too much. Oh, ये part cut हो सकता था. Why did they give this extra romantic angle? There is no romantic angle to explore for the most part.
Yeah.
So very, 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 very good.
For the most क्या है ही नहीं.
नहीं है
मतलब
कोई
उसकी
romantic
बीवी
angle.
है
अरे
वैसे
But
तो।
वो
कोई
रोमांटिक
उन्होंने-
romantic angle-
तो शादी के बाद कहाँ बचता है?
आपको तो पता ही होगा.
आपको तो पता ही होगा.
Yes.
But there is no song in the movie.
अरे?
नहीं, एक पर एक है.
दो गाने हैं.
मतलब
मतलब
it's odd-
ऐसे
हाँ,
it's
but
all
background
story,
वाले,
background
background
वाले,
वाले.
हाँ,
So
got
the
it,
BGM is very good.
Very,
and,
very good.
and also at no point it is cringe. Firstly, despite Ananya Pandey being in it, she's not
Oh,
an
she also does
iPhone.
some job, by the way.
Yeah.
Like good
हाँ,
enough.
so a
For-
good-
she works.
Ananya Pandey is not cringe anymore, guys. She's like.
I think
shit.
yeah. I think
Yeah,
that's
she's
what's
found her
happened.
spot.
No,
Yeah,
I would think कि in this movie,
Yeah.
so she's doing all this खो गए हम कहाँ and another Control Plus जो भी था Control
Control.
Control
Control.
And a pay-
Control plus
pay.
delete.
Then she was playing herself.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
of course she was not
And
cringe.
by herself we mean कि मतलब like a
मतलब 10
20,
Bandra
25.
girl, young
Yeah.
Bandra girl. तो
But sorry.
And Call Me Bay as well, by the way.
yeah, I loved Call Me.
मेरे को भी बहुत पसंद आया था. बहुत उसका सबसे बढ़िया सीन था वो एंड में वो ऑटो लेने के लिए उतरती है और लाइक मैं नहीं जाऊंगा एंड देन शी जस्ट रोज मीडिया का कार्ड की साले तू मेरे को लॉफुली मना नहीं कर सकता एंड देन ही जस्ट मॉर्मर करता है और उसको बिठा लेता है.
Also what great outfits.
हाँ मुझे पता है बट देन
All the outfits were so great.
But I
Amazing.
hate this trend of naming movies. Like ये नई story है पर केसरी 2. Same way like Dhadak is a different story, but Dhadak
हाँ, I
2.
know, but it's okay. It's better
Oh.
than देखो अब वही बात है कि पहली
Yeah.
वाली अच्छी थी तो they want to cash in. At least वो continue नहीं कर रहे हैं फालतू में. They are at least exploring something new. भले नाम ही सेम रख लें. Also the song जो तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा जो first में था जो उन्होंने
second
second
में
में
भी
भी
है,
use किया है वो quite impactfully they've used it.
Yeah.
So and all the scene they showed of Jallianwala
Yeah.
they were quite gut wrenching. मैंने सरदार उधम नहीं देखी है
मैं
because-
बोलने वाला था by the
हाँ.
way सरदार उधम again another underrated film. If you've not watched it, I think जलियांवाला बाग का सीक्वेंस आज तक मैंने जितनी फिल्म्स में देखा है
That's
आई थिंक सबसे
yeah, it's
अच्छा
most harrowing
सरदार,
is,
सबसे अच्छा और सबसे गट रेंचिंग सबसे
हाँ.
अनकंफर्टेबल फील कराने वाला हैज बीन इन सरदार उधम एंड यू
also
एक्चुअली
Kesari chapter 2 also showed it.
हाँ.
well,
Quite gut
but
wrenching.
I imagine I've heard.
Sardar Udham is
Udham is
crazy,
crazy, yeah.
dude. It's absolutely crazy. Like you sitting in your comfortable most spot feel uncomfortable when you're watching that, and it's there for like the last 40 minutes, 30-35 minutes. You see that.
Yeah.
You see, मतलब उसके अंदर ना वो दिखाते हैं कि कैसे जो वहाँ पे लाशें थी उनको वो कैसे उसमें
Cartwheel, cart में, हाँ.
लेके जा रहा है एंड देन वो जाते जाते खड्डा आ रहा है तो वो गिर रही हैं तो फिर वो उनको उठा के एंड यू नो द एंटायर sequence is this and it's crazy it's yeah
Yeah, I've heard that. I've heard the same about Sardar Udham. But
it's
coming
a
back
very
to-
good film by the way अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं
Yeah.
देखी है तो
देखनी
definitely
है, but
So coming-
it scares me actually to be honest.
Fair enough. Coming back to Casey chapter 2, what the movie is about is basically Akshay Kumar plays this British era Indian lawyer in basically he's practicing law for the British and more often than not in favor of the British.
Yeah, because he's been given the knighthood.
He's
by
been
the
knighted
British
by
government,
like
yeah.
the first Indian or brown man
Yes.
to be knighted by
British
the British monarchy or whatever. So now what happens when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre happens, okay, where General Dyer is the man behind the atrocities. Now we all know now that he is the man behind the atrocities. But back then what happened, because the England controlled all the news.
Yeah.
Okay, and not just India, most of the world's news. They could basically dictate how the news is portrayed. So they could easily, and they did, they easily went, oh, these people were terrorists. At the Jallianwala Bagh, these people were terrorists. They had weapons in their arms. Oh, no children died, or no women were harmed, or whatever they said, okay, they could make all these spins because they controlled all the media. Again, allegory for today also, maybe. Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah,
Maybe.
England still controls all the
Yes,
media.
England,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Salah Ben Stokes.
So then Akshay Kumar's character, I'm forgetting his name. Can someone just look up the name while I'm speaking? Akshay Kumar's character decides that since nobody else, and like through various means, he comes to this realization that nobody else will be fighting for the rights of Indians and the rights of the people and the families who lost their lives at Jallianwala Bagh. So I will do this as, like, even though he is in Her Majesty's
Shankaran
whatever,
Nair.
Shankaran Nair is his name,
Shankaran
yes.
Nair.
Justice Shankaran Nair, his name is actually present in the books of history also
Also, by the
because
way,
of this.
Yeah, and Kesari 2 was actually first called the
Shankaran Nair files.
No, not files, the biopic.
Biopic. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so पहले जो फिल्म का नाम था वो उनके नाम पे बायोपिक पे ही रखा जा रहा था.
Oh, cool.
But then they eventually decided कि
You
हम
know,
लोग
this way then I'll have to accept, I'll have to admit that that's probably a smarter choice.
Yeah, definitely.
Because
Kesari
nobody would
के-
know
yeah,
that name,
हाँ.
unfortunately.
तो
you know.
वो ये चेंज तो मुझे मालूम है बिकॉज
Yeah.
फिल्म के रिलीज के काफी क्लोज आके जब उनको अनाउंस करने ही वाले थे तब दे मेड दिस चॉइस.
Yeah. So then Shankaran Nair, Akshay Kumar's character, fights against the British Empire, but basically he is fighting against General Dyer and whoever's representing him in court, played by Madhavan.
Yes.
Basically he's General Dyer's lawyer, or defense lawyer. And basically that's the rest of the movie where
Yeah, a
this case is
courtroom
going
drama,
on.
most of
And
it.
amazing, good dude. Like you would think, oh, ये तो predictable है. मेरे को पता है क्या होता है. You can't predict it. So it's very well done.
If you don't know the history, yeah.
If you don't know the
Yeah.
history, yes, for sure. We didn't know the history in that
Yeah,
much detail.
that's-
So yeah, it
Yeah.
worked. Really
Also,
worked.
I'll forever love Madhavan for RHTDM, but Madhavan in negative roles is my new favorite genre.
Yeah, he's very killing.
Shaitan and this.
Yeah.
And
Shaitan-
I love him in
Dude,
negative
he's
roles.
gotten.
So if there's any South Indian movies where he's played a negative role very good, please mention it in the comments because I would love to watch all
Dude,
such
he's matured into such a fine actor now at this point in his career, dude.
Yeah, he's
like even
killing it.
more than like Three Idiots. You know, like Three Idiots, he was fine, but now he is great as an actor. You know, almost everything he's doing. If you guys see, I would say.
Yeah.
All right, Kirti, you want to go next?
Yeah. I have an interesting thing to say actually.
Okay.
As always, no, I'm kidding. Though-
कम रहा करो अंतरिक्ष के साथ.
What is this? You also getting a god complex or what is this?
नहीं, दो मूवीज हैं जो मैं मेंशन करना चाहती हूँ. एक बिल्कुल ही अनसीरियस और एक बहुत ही सीरियस. और दोनों इन सम वे दे आर अ मर्डर मिस्ट्री, यू कैन से. But I love both of them equally, and both of them are underrated. The unserious one I'll go first is the movie called 36 Chinatown.
Bro, that's not unserious at all. That's one of the most gripping.
Yeah, the most very well done murder mystery. You would not know till the end. And as kids, we were obsessed with the movie. All the songs are great.
चलेगा long drive.
अक्षय खन्ना, मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी
Oh,
है.
dude, the entire song, the only thing he does is सब डांस कर रहे हैं एकदम किसी का मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी है भाई आंखों तक पहुंच गया मुझे तुझ में बड़ी दिलचस्पी
Loved
है.
it.
Also another song from the movie is 24/7 I think of you 24/7
Ramesh
I
Reshamya,
think of you.
composer. Yeah.
सुबह 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 रात 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 ख्वाबों में तू ही तू 24/7 I think of you.
भाई मैं जब छोटा था
Okay.
shut up. जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं पूरा वो स्टेप करने की कोशिश करता होता 24/7
Yeah.
मैं बहुत ट्राई करता था भाई बट वो ऐसा ईशान मिंटकुशवार अवस्थी हो जाता था मेरा.
तो हमने थिएटर में देखी थी और मैं और मेरा भाई बिल्कुल ही ऑब्सेस्ड हो गए थे उस मूवी से. हम सीडियां ढूंढ रहे थे जिसमें 4 मूवीज आती थी जस्ट कि उसमें 36
Chinatown
चाइनाटाउन
है कि नहीं.
और ग्रेट, मतलब ग्रिपिंग perfect balance of actually being a legit murder mystery but hilarious.
Yeah.
Johnny Lever, Paresh Rawal,
Payal Rohatgi.
Payal Rohatgi.
The only actor that Antariksh could remember
Yeah.
was Payal
Yeah,
Rohatgi.
Paresh Rawal was in this movie.
You love Payal, follow her on Insta. Yeah, she's some great content.
I no idea. Now up to देखना पड़ेगा.
if you know, you know.
Yeah, Upen Patel is also there, bro.
Upen Patel,
Yeah.
Tanaz Irani.
His first big proper role, Utpal Patel's. This is what made him. He became famous.
I mean,
Yeah.
nothing was made.
But he became famous. People knew him because of 30 Star now. And then now after that, maybe.
Also, Kareena and Shahid, cutest looking, both of them, young. And Shahid
and
is
still
looking.
dating and happy.
I guess.
I think that was the beginning of their dating. So
Oh, was it?
yeah. So love 36 Chinatown.
That
तो,
was fun, dude.
और लोग मेंशन नहीं करते अब
Yeah,
उस
yeah,
मूवी के बारे
हाँ,
में.
क्योंकि वो बकवास मूवी है.
नहीं है बकवास, बिल्कुल बकवास नहीं है.
एक्चुअली क्या था ना हम
सोनिया चैन का मर्डर आज तक याद है मुझे.
हमने एक्चुअली पहले हम ना गिल्टी प्लेजर्स करने वाले थे तो और कीर्ति को हमने काफी टाइम तक बताया नहीं कि हम अंडररेटेड करने
Oh,
वाले हैं.
this does seem, yeah,
But
repurposed.
बाबा अंडररेटेड है 36
It is,
चाइनाटाउन.
it
हम
is,
अभी भी
it is.
गरम मसाला और नो एंट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं, बट 36 चाइनाटाउन कोई मेंशन नहीं करता. It is good. और मेरी
तो
सीरियस मूवी
प्यासा
है.
से बेटर है.
I haven't seen Pyasa, so could be true. I don't know. Could be.
Okay.
By
और
the way,
मैं-
one small
Yeah.
story regarding this. So, we used to work with an ex-colleague called Jealous Me back
Yeah,
in
yeah, of course.
previous workplace. And when I had started Has It, she was always like 36 Chinatown kab karo. 36.
Oh.
Then I had made a pact with her that the 36th episode of Has It, I will do 36 Chinatown with her. But it did not materialize
बट
for
तब
some
तक सबने कंपनी छोड़ दी.
So you just told the story so that you could rub it in Jalasi's face?
Yeah, Jealous Me if you're watching this.
Yeah,
मैं उसको टाइम कोड बता दूंगा.
You could have just texted her this.
But
Do you
still,
remember?
to this day, whenever there's a 36 Chinatown meme, she sends it to me.
Very nice. Very nice.
जेलस में बहुत क्यूटी थी भाई.
Okay, you have one more movie
Yeah,
to say,
so
no?
36 Chinatown murder mystery.
ये अनसीरियस थी. हाँ.
अब मैं सीरियस
serious,
जोन में
yes.
जाऊंगी. कुछ ज्यादा ही सीरियस जोन है, तो घबराना मत.
ठीक है हम ऐसे हो जाते हैं एकदम.
Article 15.
Oh, Ayushmann
Ayushmann.
Khurrana.
Ayushmann
The
Khurrana.
last film that Ayushmann Khurrana did.
No, he did Anek also, na, after that.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, फिर
Also, Action Hero was after that.
Action Hero Dream Girl too. हाँ
But
सही.
one of the best Ayushmann Khurrana performances, I would say, very grounded and
हाँ.
क्योंकि उसका natural नहीं है वो zone. He's a
Article-
little more
Yeah, yeah.
दिल्ली.
हाँ दिल्ली. तो उसने बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग की है.
बहुत अच्छी
But the
acting.
movie is also amazing.
Amazing.
It,
Still holds up.
हाँ मतलब
हाँ, वैसे
it
recent ही है.
it
क्या
shows
है?
you the mirror because
absolutely.
हम अपने
Cast.
घर में बैठ के नहीं recognize करते ये issues और बाद में पता चलता है कि बहुत issues हैं दुनिया
Yeah,
में.
and that's why Dhadak 2 is
Again,
important. Please go and watch
Yes.
it if
Dude,
you
there's a
haven't
legendary
watched it.
scene in Article 15 where he is. So the movie talks about through like a murder that has happened.
Yeah.
And
It
that's
talks
based
about
on a
custody.
real case.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Really?
It is.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I don't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's even crazier then. But what this movie does very intelligently is talk about the caste system in India through this murder in this village that has happened that is now being investigated by Ayushmann Khurrana's character, who is a Delhi cop who has been moved or shifted to this, transferred to this little village.
उस
Now-
case के sorry, हाँ, come
No,
to
no.
the point.
Okay, so then there is this amazing scene where he is like surrounded by all his havaldars and his
Oh
junior
yeah,
subordinates.
very good
Yeah,
scene.
yeah,
Okay,
Very
and
good
And the
scene.
cast.
Yeah, and he's asking them कि अच्छा तो
Discord,
आपका
yeah.
आपका गोत्र क्या है?
Yeah.
गोत्र ना करेक्ट नो?
हाँ, गोत्र।
तो आपका गोत्र क्या है? तो ये बोलता है मेरा ये है, मेरा ये है. तो इनसे बोलता है आपका अच्छा
Yeah.
आपका क्या है? अच्छा आपका क्या है? सबके
हाँ.
और मेरा क्या होगा? अच्छा तो मेरा नाम मेरा सरनेम ये है तो आपका ये गोत्र ही होगा आपका ये होगा. आपका तो हम एक थाली में खाना खा सकते हैं नहीं हम नहीं खा सकते पर आप उसके साथ खा सकते हो आप इसके साथ नहीं खा सकते.
हाँ.
ओ पर ये लोग नहीं कर सकते वो आप यो कर सकते हो आप मंदिर जा सकते हो आप मंदिर नहीं जा सकते. लाइक डोंट भैंस क्या चल रहा है?
हाँ
Okay.
बहुत सही है. ऐसा ही एक ये तो चलो फिल्म में था ऐसा ही एक रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट मैं आपको बताता हूँ. रवीश कुमार वन ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज के लिए गया हुआ था एक ऐसी जगह पे ठीक है एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग टू दिस गाय हु इज सिटिंग ऑन द चारपाई खटिया ठीक है एंड ही सिटिंग एंड रवीश कुमार जो है वो साथ में बैठ के उनसे बात कर रहे होते हैं, एंड देन देयर कम्स दिस गाय विद दिस स्टिक एंड एवरीथिंग, इज वेरी एजेड एंड सॉर्ट, एंड ही सिट्स ऑन द जमीन, ठीक है, एंड देन ही सेज कि रवीश कुमार देख के
I've
कहता
seen this.
है, रवीश कुमार देख के कहता है कि अरे नीचे क्यों बैठ रहे हो, इधर आ जाओ, एंड देन ही लुक्स एट द अदर गाय एंड इज लाइक नहीं नहीं यहाँ ठीक है, एंड देन रवीश लुक्स एट हिम, लाइक क्या हो गया, ये ऊपर क्यों नहीं बैठ रहे, एंड इज लाइक कुछ नहीं, हमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एंड देन ही लुक्स एट, आ जाओ ऊपर आ जाओ, एंड इज लाइक नहीं नहीं हम यहाँ ठीक है, लाइक ओ छोटी जाति के हैं, एंड देन इज लाइक नहीं नहीं मैं कहाँ कह रहा हूँ, अरे कहाँ हो तो देख के नहीं पता चल रहा है,
Yeah.
तो ही एक्चुअली कॉल्स हिम आउट
Yeah.
इन अ लाइव इंटरव्यू
Crazy
कि
है?
कि तूने बोला नहीं बट तूने आंखों से ही, you know, so
Well, that's only Ravish. Dude.
that,
Yeah,
but
that's
bro,
only-
Ravish Kumar is
I mean,
yeah.
Of course.
ये
He is
जो
huge.
केस रियल केस बोला उस पे एक सोनिया फलेरो ने किताब लिखी, आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड द गुड गर्ल्स,
Okay.
दैट
Okay.
एक्चुअली अनरावल्स व्हाट द एक्चुअल केस वाज,
Oh.
एंड आई आल्सो लाइक आर्टिकल 15, बट देयर इज a criticism of it which I agree with, that it still has a savior complex, that a high caste person has to come and save
Okay, if you look at it that way, okay,
oppressed.
fair enough.
Yeah, Abbas will always give it the pessimistic look. So
no, this is the realistic look.
Yeah.
You're right. You're right. I'm just joking.
But
Yes, yeah, you're right.
I like the fact that you know वो बंदा UPSC क्लियर करके IAS IPS बन के आया है और वो सोच रहा है कि हाँ
Again similar to Arth Satya.
हाँ
अर्थ सत्य,
exactly वो सोच
That's-
रहा है कि world is great.
इसीलिए अर्थ सत्य जो है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी हिस्ट्री में ऑफ फिल्म्स.
Yeah.
And also, sorry.
Yeah, तो then he comes and he thinks the world is good and वो थोड़े बहुत issues हैं वो मैं sort कर दूंगा because मैं सही हूँ.
Correct.
And then he realizes कि it's not that easy and it's
Yeah.
not that simple. So I love how his realization, the journey of his realization is crazy.
Correct.
You can literally feel it.
Yeah.
And और of course ये सब मतलब ये सब conceptual है and then actual जो murder mystery वो
Realities
solve
हैं,
कर
वो
रहा
अलग है,
है
हाँ.
वो भी मतलब gut wrenching है and when he actually saves the girl it's I had tears in my eyes and I always do. It's a great
Yeah.
well made movie. Yeah.
Absolutely. Like, I love these movies that, especially movies like this, right? That make you think about your own life a little more critically.
Yeah,
The privileges
yeah,
that you
yeah.
have or that we have living in a city.
True, I agree.
Away from these kind of problems. Very cool. Makes you think, makes you question society. Even amazing, dude. Fantastic. There's no negative thing that I can say about Article 15
Or
because I'm not a
36
bus.
Or 36 standard.
Yeah, 36 and was flawless.
No, it's not. It's perfecto.
Amazing.
French
It
kiss.
was,
Chef's kiss.
was made by Abbas.
I said, dude, I did this and instead of saying chef's kiss, I said French kiss. That's so stupid.
Okay.
छत्तीस चाइनाटाउन में एक्चुअली एक डायलॉग है वो जो कहते हैं कि और वहीं पे आपने ये 2 आंखें और 2 पाँव देखे
दो आगे उसके पास 2 आगे थे
और उसके पास 2 पाँव थे.
Okay.
और anyway, ठीक है.
Snake.
So I'm back with another
Parallel cinema.
parallel cinema, I guess. But यार I think ये movies मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज के टाइम में भी उतनी ही important है, इसलिए I am bringing these up. नहीं तो मतलब I can talk about all other films as well. This film is from 1984. Again, Govind Nihalani. Again, stars Om Puri, Amrish Puri, Naseer Saab, Rohini Hattangade.
प्यासा 2
Party.
Again, something I have not seen.
Party.
पार्टी
So इसका premise again I think आज के टाइम में एक तरीके से कंपलसरी कर दो भाई ये पिक्चर तो देखने के लिए आज के टाइम के लिए कंपलसरी.
क्या है मुझे बताओ फटाफट प्लॉट
So you know who's a very big fan of this movie? I know this dude is Akshay Kumar because he just party all night. That's the only movie he'll watch all night, dude.
आपने देखी है पार्टी भाई? बहुत आपको कैसी लगती है?
बढ़िया फिल्म है यार.
बहुत बढ़िया फिल्म लगती है
बताओ,
मुझे.
बताओ.
सो बेसिकली मुझे ऐसी फिल्म्स बहुत पसंद है जो ऐसा वन सेटिंग में खत्म हो जाती है, लाइक कॉन्वर्जेशन वेयर यू हैव टू यू गेट, जैसे हम 3 लोग हैं 4 लोग हैं, हम एक टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं और आपको 4-5 अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है? पॉडकास्ट बेसिकली, ठीक है? तो ऐसी एक फिल्म है नहीं एक रुका हुआ फैसला, विच इज अडेप्टेड फ्रॉम 12 Angry Men. Anyway, तो कमिंग टू पार्टी, तो बेसिकली एक
It's a very highfalutin
हाँ elite party where she is celebrating the life and success of her husband. ठीक है. सो ये सारे बहुत ही एलीट ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है, ठीक है. तो ऑब्वियसली दे कम फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन प्रिविलेज, सो उनका जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो उस तरीके का है. तो उसी चीज को रिप्रेजेंट करती है ये फिल्म कि वो कॉन्वर्जेशन कैसे हो रहा है, 7 डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस कैसे आ रही हैं. अब जैसे उसके अंदर एक बहुत फेमस सीन है, इसी सीन की वजह से मैंने जो इंस्टाग्राम पे वायरल हो जाता है कि एक आर्ट और पॉलिटिक्स की कितना जरूरी है, कितना अफेक्ट होता है आपका आर्ट पॉलिटिक्स से.
कैमरा जब भी
हाँ.
किसी का फायर होता है तो
ये वाला सीन वायरल हो जाता है, ठीक है. यू विल सी अमरीश पुरी, ओम पुरी हैव दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन डिस्कशन. तो अगेन एक्चुअली मैंने भी इसी सीन से ये फिल्म देखी थी, ठीक है. मुझे भी इंस्टाग्राम पे जब मैंने ये सीन देखा, आई वाज लाइक फक, ये कौन सी फिल्म है, ठीक है. एंड देन आई वेंट एंड वॉच्ड दिस फिल्म. तो देन आई रियलाइज कि दिस इज 2 hours ऑफ दिस
Just conversation.
and it is so interesting. Like हम लोग बड़ी आसानी से कह देते हैं ना कि यार मुझसे पॉलिटिक्स की बात मत करो, मैं बहुत एपॉलिटिकल हूँ, मैं इन सब चीजों में. डूड, यू डोंट रियलाइज कि तुम्हारे एवरी चॉइस, तो एक तो पता है क्या है कि तुम्हारे पास चॉइस है भी नहीं. यू आफ्टर दैट फिल्म यू विल रियलाइज कि यू जस्ट हैव एन आइडिया ऑफ चॉइस. आपको लगता है कि आपने चूज किया है. जो बहुत ही एक ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड व्यू से कह देते हैं ना कि यार मेरे से सब मूड मत खराब कर यार इसके बारे में बात करके. यू विल रियलाइज कि आपके चीनी के दाने से लेके गाड़ी खरीदने तक में हर चीज में पॉलिटिक्स है, और हर चीज में दुनिया में क्या, यूएस में क्या चल रहा है, रशिया में क्या चल रहा है, वो आपके चीनी के दाने को अफेक्ट कर रहा है. तो टू बी इग्नोरेंट टुवर्ड्स दैट इज बेसिकली इग्नोरिंग हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बी लिविंग योर लाइफ फॉर द नेक्स्ट 5 years. राइट. तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म जो एक नैरेटिव आपको प्रेजेंट करती है, जो कि देखनी चाहिए. एंड कैसे एक तरीके से, मतलब हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि आर्ट एक ऐसा एक आर्ट एनेबलर होना चाहिए जो आपको नई नई चीजों से वाकिफ कराए. इफ दैट इज द,
ये जैसी खत्म होगा ना, कट कर दो. सन ऑफ सरदार 2 is not that bad. It's funny.
Guys, you know what's a party? Son of Sardar 2.
हे सुन के मुझे 36 चाइना टाउन पे तो रोना.
बट पार्टी वेरी गुड फिल्म, 40 साल पुरानी पिक्चर है,
हाँ.
फिर भी
I'll watch it.
बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है,
Sounds
बहुत
great,
अच्छी
yeah.
फिल्म है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी फिल्म है. प्लीज डू वॉच इट इफ यू, आई थिंक प्राइम पे
YouTube पे भी मिल जाएगी.
हाँ, बट मेरे ख्याल से प्राइम पे है. बट डू वॉच इट इफ यू गाइज फाइंड टाइम. एंड अगेन एज आई सेड, अगर खाली बैठे हो और कोई अच्छी मूवी देखने का,
सन ऑफ सरदार 2 से
सन ऑफ सरदार 2 के बाद आप पार्टी देख सकते हो.
Nice, very good.
भाई रेंज तो है लड़के में,
रेंज है ना लड़के में, चलो फिर ठीक है.
Okay, so before we end this, okay, we all have a few movies, I think, which don't exactly warrant a longer discussion, but we still
Yeah.
think that they deserve to be
They
mentioned.
should be mentioned. Yes.
One, if I can start with, is a movie that Kirti and I just saw last week, which is Sue from So. I also talked about it last week.
वो तो थिएटर में है.
In theaters, but extremely underrated,
Yes,
especially
people
in
watch.
the
Not in
Bollywood belt.
Karnataka.
Not in Karnataka, but in the Bollywood belt, in the Hindi-speaking belt, very underrated. Hardly anyone's even heard of it. Please, I cannot recommend this movie enough. I think Kirti will also agree.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Please
So
check it
much
out.
fun.
It's an all-out horror
Super
comedy.
fun, yeah.
Fucking amazing. Please check it out.
Nice.
Other than that,
मेरे पास है कुछ. एक तो मूवी जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो है चिल्लर पार्टी.
Chiller Party.
Nice.
Again,
By the way, आर्चीज चिल्लर पार्टी से ही उठाई गई फिल्म है. Just by the way.
चीज वाले चिल्लर पार्टी से
वो टाटा फिश गाना Chiller Party से है ना?
हाँ.
Oh, Tata-
भाई आर्चीज का एक्चुअली मैं मजाक में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. आर्चीज का पूरा प्लॉट चिल्लर पार्टी का प्लॉट
मतलब
है.
सोशल कॉज एंड ट्री
पूरा प्लॉट. आर्चीज में वो लोग क्या कहते हैं,
वो गार्डन बचा रहे होते हैं.
आर्चीज देखी नहीं.
आर्चीज में वो गार्डन बचा रहे होते
और
हैं.
चिल्लर
चिल्लर
पार्टी
पार्टी
में
में
वो
वो
पेट
कुत्ता
बचा
बचा रहे
रहे
होते हैं.
ऑल्सो
ठीक है.
बिडू आई लव बिडू. तो मेरा भी बहुत एनिमल लव है, तो मेरे लिए और भी ज्यादा क्लोज टू हार्ट है. द होल किड कास्ट इज ग्रेट. रणबीर कपूर का लास्ट सॉन्ग इज ग्रेट.
Yeah.
मूवी इज फनी, सो मच कॉमेडी इन द मूवी एंड स्टिल सो होलसम. ऐसी
Yeah.
मूवीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, सबको ये बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो चिल्लर पार्टी.
एंड जस्ट बाय द वे सॉरी, सिर्फ वही कुत्ते और गार्डन वाला पैरेलल ड्रॉ नहीं किया, और भी बहुत सारी चीजें कॉमन है, बट दैट्स फॉर अनदर.
एक चीज
उन लोगों को लगेगा कि साले जरा कुत्ते उठाएगा, गार्डन ही तेरे को लग रहा है सेम उठाया.
बट अच्छी एक्टिंग कॉमन नहीं है.
तो मतलब किसी में भी अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं है.
नहीं, चिल्लर पार्टी में
चिल्लर पार्टी
तो
में
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. और एक बहुत अच्छी मूवी थैंक यू.
Bro, thank you also.
अक्षय कुमार,
Akshay,
इरफान
Bobby,
खान.
Sunil and Irfan.
Yeah.
Dude, it's unbelievable.
मैंने देखी नहीं है.
So funny.
Unbelievably funny.
एंड इरफान खान की बहुत ही कॉमेडीज, ही इज ग्रेट एट
good,
कॉमेडी.
yeah.
एंड
This that movie जो राहुल बोसर
जिसमें वो सब चीटर होते हैं, अपनी वाइफ पे चीट
थोड़ा मस्ती टाइप फिल्म
Yeah,
लगी
yeah, मस्ती
मुझे.
तो
हाँ,
नहीं
समझ लो टॉक्सिक तो है बट बहुत ही फनी है. और अक्षय कुमार बहुत फनी है उस मूवी में.
Yeah.
बहुत सीन्स उठाई गई हैं बहुत जैकी चैन मूवीज से. इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ मेस बट इट्स अ फनी मेस. सो
चलो, ठीक
आई
है.
लाइक इट.
बस एक टाइम था ना जब सारी लड़कियां अपने इंस्टाग्राम बायो में हॉट मेस लिख रही थी.
अभी भी लिख रही है.
अभी भी लिख रही है
जो
क्या?
थोड़ी behind है.
अब कोल्ड में प्रतीक को आनी है जैसे.
Have you guys seen these two movies? Jungle, 2000.
फरदीन एंड उर्मिला.
Yeah, Ram Gopal Verma.
नहीं.
Great movie. Please check it out.
Yeah, I mean,
दो
I
प्यार करने
वाले
जंगल
जंबो देखी है क्या आपने? ऐसे जंगल से याद आ गया.
जंबो?
वो अक्षय कुमार with
अक्षय कुमार और हाथी वाली.
animated elephant.
और एंटरटेनमेंट.
let's
Yeah.
not talk about Sonakshi Sinha.
What the fuck, dude? What the fuck, dude? Oh, by the way, animated से याद आया मुझे.
ब्रो मेरे को याद आया by the way, घूमर में भी एक हाथी है.
horrible.
डूड एनिमेटेड से मुझे याद आया, अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक महाअवतार नरसिम्हा नहीं देखी है तो डूड प्लीज वॉच इट. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड फिल्म डूड.
I'm sure. मेरे को ऐसे मत देखो, मुझे एनिमेटेड मूवीज देखने में मजा नहीं आता.
सो
इसलिए मेरा
ऑब्वियसली
problem
महाअवतार नरसिम्हा का जो आखिरी 30 मिनट्स का जो नरसिम्हा अवतार का एनिमेशन है डूड क्रेजी शिट. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है अगर आप लोग देखना चाहो तो.
Okay. And have you guys seen Finding Fanny? Both these movies.
नहीं देखे मैंने.
यार फाइंडिंग
Finding नहीं
हाँ मेरे को
What did
इंग्लिश
you watch it
वर्जन
tonight,
नहीं मिल रहा
dude?
था उसका.
Okay.
Or tomorrow, whatever. So we'll see. I guess we're not watching it tonight. Fanny.
अर्जुन कपूर का मीम भी वायरल हो रहा है तो ये रेलेवेंट है.
Fanny, directed by Homi Adjania.
मैं जाने
गाने
Deepika
बड़े अच्छे
Padukone.
हैं फाइंडिंग.
Yeah, Deepika Padukone. Arjun Kapoor.
ओमी अज्जानी के
Nasiruddin Shah, Pankaj Kapoor, and Dimple Kapadia.
जो मैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड नेक्स्ट अंडररेटेड वाले उसमें यूज करूंगा आज यूज करना.
ओह अच्छा.
Okay. Inner thoughts should say inner
I know,
thoughts.
yeah.
ठीक है.
What do you have?
मेरी अच्छा
हाँ, बोलो.
पहले तुम जाओ, मेरी लास्ट है एक.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
बाद में मैं.
मेरी ये तो मूवी ये मेरी स्पेशल मेंशन है. स्पेशल मेंशन इसलिए क्योंकि ये इंडिया में शायद रिलीज नहीं हुई और शायद आपको मिलेगी भी नहीं. मैंने इसको कैसे देखा था, गूगल प्ले मूवीज पे थी और वो भी शायद यहाँ वाले नहीं, यूएस के उस पे. तो मैंने लिटरली अपने दोस्त को बोला कि तू खरीद. उसने अपने अकाउंट में खरीदी. मैंने वीपीएन डाला, वीपीएन से मैंने यूएस का उसका वो सोर्स डाला, उसका अकाउंट डाला, तब जाके मैं देख पाया वो फिल्म.
This is the Ravish Kumar documentary.
No, this is a film featuring Piyush Mishra, and Piyush Mishra is playing the playback singer in the film. The film is called Playback Singer. Basically, Piyush Mishra की बेटी की शादी जो है वो बाहर यूएस में हो जाती है, and he is basically visiting his daughter. ठीक है, तो he is visiting her in the US, and कैसे he comes to terms with the फिरंगी husband, कैसे वो वहाँ रहता है, कैसे वो अपने रियाज करता है, कैसे क्लैशेस होते हैं, कैसे वो कम टू टर्म्स करता है. फीचर है.
बट ये
फीचर है.
हिंदी लैंग्वेज नहीं है क्या?
हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश का मिक्स है. मोस्टली इंग्लिश है.
एंड इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया.
इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. बहुत मेहनत करके मेरे को मिली थी ये फिल्म और बहुत मेहनत से देखी थी ये फिल्म मैंने. द प्लेबैक सिंगर. बट अगर आप लोगों को मिले तो डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ वॉच. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट हार्टेड फैमिली. और वो नहीं होता नोक जोक वाली, पापा बेटी की नोक जोक हो रही है, पापा दामाद की नोक जोक, ससुर दामाद की नोक जोक हो रही है, तो वैसे है. बहुत अच्छी क्यूट सी फिल्म है. अगर मिले तो जरूर गिव इट अ ट्राई. पीयूष मिश्रा.
यस देख रहा है जिसने खरीदी, हमको भी दे दो एक्सेस यार, हम भी देखें.
Dude, I'll tell you. So this friend of mine, he texted me out of the blue one day, and he's like, bro सुन ना. मैंने कहा हाँ बोल. He's in Texas by the way. So he's like कि oh I was visiting this friend of mine
Yeah.
in Texas and he was watching your Filmy Colada on his computer. ठीक है. And उसका YouTube खुला हुआ था and वो देख रहा था. And then मैं enter हुआ उसके कमरे में and then इसने उसको बोला कि ओ ये तो स्नेहिल है, मैं इसको जानता हूँ. And then he says अरे तू कहाँ से जानता हो यार इन लोग को.
हाँ यार.
Snail slept with a smile that day.
Yeah, for sure. Sadly with only a smile.
Also, it's pronounced Ismail.
But yeah, that's how I watch. That's how
Nice.
I watched the Playback Singer.
Okay, Torrance with anything?
नहीं.
That's okay, cool man. Right. About anything?
Oh no, I mean I had Doduri Char as one of the choices, so that, and I while making the list I had made a Rocket Singh. I think Rocket Singh.
Dude, I have Rocket Singh literally on my list.
So
Now I think it is fine rated. Pehle it was underrated when it came out. Now everyone thinks of Rocket Singh as a good movie
Cult.
because it is, yeah.
yeah.
Fair.
I would say Jagga Jasoos is a great
Oh, Jagga
movie.
Jasoos is
Yeah.
very good, dude.
और,
Jagga Jasoos is a very good film.
बहुत ही अच्छी है.
I still think Indian audience will not accept Jagga Jasoos.
Yeah, but it's great.
I mean,
But-
it's, I think, but it's a matter
Because he
of.
watches films on VPN now, he thinks
He
it's
thinks,
about
yeah,
Indian
but
audience.
I think it's a matter of time. I think it's a matter of time thing.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
It depends on like the timing of the movie.
यार
I'd have to say.
उस साल में म्यूजिकल बनाना और कटरीना और रणबीर को
साल।
इतने उसमें एनिमेटेड जानवर सेटअप्स
Yeah.
गाने डायलॉग्स नहीं है, सिर्फ गानों में बातचीत हो रही
It's a
है.
Disney movie on acid
Yeah.
actually.
तो वैसा है. आई डोंट थिंक ज्यादा पसंद आएगी.
बहुत लोगों को.
और उस टाइम भी नहीं ही आई थी जब
हाँ,
रिलीज हुई
फ्लॉप हुई थी
अगर आपको
वो.
पसंद है कमेंट्स में डाल दो कि स्नेहिल व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट इंडियन ऑडियंस we love Jack.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for
That's
joining
it,
us.
man. This was
Follow
fun.
us on social media. Please subscribe to the channel.
Very
Take
fun.
memberships
Yeah.
if you like
Yes.
more underrated suggestions.
And underrated podcast.
Yeah, and follow each of us on our social media.
Join us on the journey of from underrated to overrated.
Please. From underrated to rated to overrated.
It's going to be a long journey.
Yes,
यार कीर्ति प्लीज शो सम बिलीफ.
इससे लंबे बताया. Oh, underrated से rated से overrated.
And then underrated again.
Listen to Antariksh's shows that he's producing and other shows that he's on.
Nice. Abbas wants to end this. He's like,
Anything you wanna
individual
be-
plugs we don't need.
Are you on anything, Kirti?
No, I'm not on anything.
Are you on anything? What are you on, Kirti?
Snails fans in Texas, write us. That's all. See you next week.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
अब्बास तूने खुद का प्लगिंग नहीं किया है कैसा लग रहा है
Bucket, bro.
Go man.